Why your brain secretly fights weight loss. Have you ever promised yourself, this time, I'm finally going to lose weight? And for a few days, everything goes perfectly. You eat healthy. You stay disciplined. You resist cravings. Then suddenly, you find yourself standing in front of the fridge at 11 p.m. eating the exact foods you swore you'd avoid. And the worst part? You start believing you're weak. But what if I told you, your brain may actually be fighting against your weight loss? Not because it hates you, but because it thinks it's protecting you. If you want to understand why losing weight feels mentally exhausting and how to finally stop sabotaging yourself, subscribe to the Minds Lab right now. Because this channel is not just about losing weight physically, it's about winning mentally first. Here's the truth nobody talks about. Your body was designed for survival, not modern dieting. So when you suddenly start eating less, your brain doesn't see, oh nice, we're getting healthier. It sees, danger, we might be starving. And the moment your brain feels threatened, it starts fighting to pull you back to your old habits. That's why weight loss can feel like a mental war. When you diet aggressively, your hunger hormones increase. Your brain releases signals that make food feel more rewarding. Cravings become stronger, especially for sugar and high-calorie foods. At the same time, the hormone that helps you feel full, leptin, drops. So even after eating, you still feel unsatisfied. And your brain keeps whispering, eat more, eat more, eat more. This is not laziness. This is biology. Your brain is trying to protect your survival. There's also a part of your brain connected to stress and discomfort. When you suddenly force yourself into extreme diets, your brain interprets the experience as pain. That's why after days of restriction, your brain suddenly triggers intense urges to quit. Not because you lack discipline, but because your brain remembers discomfort and wants to return to what feels safe. Your old habits may be unhealthy, but to your brain, they are familiar, and familiar feels safe. Your brain also has something like a weight comfort zone. When your weight starts dropping too fast, your brain tries to restore your old weight. It slows your metabolism, increases cravings, makes you feel tired. It's basically trying to hit a reset button. That's why so many people lose weight, then gain it back. Not because they failed, because they tried to fight biology instead of understanding it. So how do you overcome this? Stop trying to shock your body. Instead, teach your brain that healthy living is safe. Start smaller, walk more, sleep better, reduce stress. Eat healthier consistently instead of perfectly. The goal is not punishment. The goal is rewiring, because when your brain stops feeling threatened, it finally starts working with you instead of against you. So tell me in the comments, what's harder for you during weight loss? The physical cravings or the mental battle? And if this video changed how you see your struggles, subscribe to the Minds Lab for more videos that help you master weight loss mentally first.